Welcome back to Tech Time Radio. I'm Nathan Mum, and we have sleeping Mike Gorday here. Mike, wake up. Right. Oh, just because it's hot. I can't. I'm not going to be able to raise my hands as I walk out of here. My armpits are just going to be. I'm going to be going, hey people, how you doing? Like little. I don't
hands. Even know if we're going to be able to get out of here. It's so crammed in. I don't. We're going to. We're going to need butter.
We really appreciate our sponsors for this. This is great, and we are learning so much when you do a podcast and a radio program. You don't know. Yeah. There is no books. I've read 3 books about how to do this. They all said, remote sites can be a great time, and we did last week's episode great. Everything was easy.
I'm thinking 50-50.
I think it's 50-50. It's kind of like getting an Uber tip, I guess. You never know.
I don't know.
All right, so now we're going to our pick of the day. And now our pick of the day for our whiskey tastings. Let's see what bubbled to the top. All right, welcome back from our pick of the day. Mike, this is the time where we reveal we have our nice Templeton Prohibition rye recipe, small batch, again 40% alcohol by volume, which means it's 80 proof. I don't know why we had to come up with our own proofing system versus what everybody else does on the volume, but of course we did that with inches instead of centimeters, and so we just like our own stuff.
Yep.
What is your pick of the day? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
I'm going to say, reluctantly, it's a thumbs up.
Oh, it's a thumbs up. Yeah. That's a surprise.
I did like the flavor. It does have a little bit of a burn after a while. Initially, it didn't burn at all, but after taking a few sips, it does have a lingering burn.
All right. And I'm going to have to go with a thumbs down. I did not like it. The burn is a lingering burn. I don't get the apple smell.
I don't know.
You're getting an apple smell from it, and I don't smell anything apple.
It might be the book dust.
It might be the librarians have a couple of apples on the side. You know what happens when you give Snow White an apple, don't you?
No, what?
Well, it puts you to sleep.
Oh.
So, all right. That is it for episode 14. This has been a great time. I do not think we will be on remote site on episode 15. I am sure we will be back in studio. We got some great news that we have coming up about our program. We are looking to possibly go to a live radio format, a live radio program that would be online so that people could listen to it and stream the event. So you'd see us in action with no cuts. It's going to be crazy to do.
That's going to be bad.
No post-editing. So it's going to be live.
Because today is going to be a really fun post-editing day.
It's going to be. It's a long episode, and there's a lot of things that we want our sponsors to like us, and so we are going to have to edit out a lot of the stuff that.
There's going to be a massive gag reel.
That's right. So thank you very much. I am Nathan Mum. Again, we're Tech Time Radio. We got Mike Gorday here. You can always find out more craziness about us at visiting us at techtimeradio.com. You can visit our Twitter feed and see lots of postings that are not being blocked by Facebook. You can also go to our Facebook page, and who knows if we can put anything up on there without Facebook blocking us.
Well, we can only forward it to 5 people. So.
That's right. And then you can always go and even visit us on LinkedIn. We have our own LinkedIn page. So we are getting out there, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this. If so, please subscribe, please download, please watch iPod episode 72 times so that our rankings can go on up. And
drink whiskey.
And drink whiskey. So we appreciate very much your guys' time. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us for Tech Time Radio today. I'm your host, Nathan Mum. Hopefully you enjoyed talking technology, and of course, having a little whiskey on the side. Remember as we leave, mum's the word. Thank you for listening. If you like the show and want to learn more, please check us out at techtimeradio.com or on YouTube or your favorite podcast service. Just look for Tech Time Radio with Nathan Mum.